Earn $1.5 for each survey you take on this platform. On this particular platform, you get paid by answering simple questions right here. As you can see right here, share your thoughts on your favorite beverage and help shape the future of drinks. Take our quick survey now and stand a chance to win exciting rewards. So right now you can see that the reward for this particular survey is $1.5, and you can see right here that this particular survey will only take 15 minutes of your time. You can just go ahead to click on start survey, so you can take this survey and earn $1.5 for just this particular survey. So when you go ahead to look properly on this survey, you will notice that this particular survey is a beverage survey. So there are several kinds of surveys you can come across depending on the topic that you have been given to. So this particular one is titled on beverage survey. So you can actually get a survey that is centered on football or politics depending on the kind of survey that is available to you. So one thing I like this platform is that it gives access to all countries all over the world. But before I go on guys with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. So what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online, and in exchange please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. However, you can also do well to join my social media platform, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find the links down there in the video description. So like I said earlier, you can come across any kind of survey depending on the topic that has been assigned to you. So right now you can see that this particular survey is travel survey, and it will take you 15 minutes to complete the survey. So on this website, 100 points is equivalent to $1. So 150 points is equivalent to $1.5. So when you go ahead to take this particular survey, you're going to be getting $1.5 for yourself. As you can see right here that I have over 290 points. So you can actually convert these points into money. So when you go ahead to take this survey, you're going to wait for at least 7 days for them to confirm this survey. So once they have actually confirmed this survey, they are going to be paying you in points. As you can see right now that I have over 290 points. So how then do you convert these points into money? So once you come over to this icon right here, you're going to be seeing redemption. So you just have to click on redemption. So once you click on redemption, you're going to be seeing these two lists, which is the redemption list and the gift rewards. So once you go over to the redemption list, you can actually see that you can add redemption. So once you click on add redemption, it's going to bring you over to this different way you can actually cash out your money. You can actually use the barter, the gift voucher, the airtime and the internet bundles. But I prefer cashing out my earnings from this platform with the airtime. So if you want to cash out your earnings with the airtime, all you just need to do is to click on the airtime and you're going to select your service provider. It can be Glo, MTN, Airtel or 9mobile. So once you have actually selected that, you just have to come down here and input the mobile number you actually want to send airtime to. So once you have actually done that, you just come down here to click on submit. If you actually want to cash out your earnings using the internet bundle, all you just want to do is to come down here to the internet bundle, then select your service provider, then come down here and input the mobile number, then come down here also and click on submit. So this is one way you can actually make use of your points. Another way is that when you come over to the redemption, you're going to be seeing the gift rewards. You can actually come down here to convert your earnings into gift cards. You can see that the Amazon gift card actually is for 6,000 points. We have other gift cards like the Spa Market, which is 3,000 points, and also we have the 500 points, which is the Sure gift card. So you can go on and on to select any gift card you actually want to convert your earnings to. And so guys, since today is Valentine's Day, you can also play around this particular platform. When you come over to debate, you're going to be seeing create debate, all debate and active debate. So once you go over to active debate, you're going to be seeing several debates on this particular platform. So you can see the Valentine's edition, the impact of social media on society, who is the GOAT, Messi or Ronaldo. So these are what you'll be getting on debate. You can actually get any topics on this debate that you can actually play around. So once you click on this Valentine, you're going to be seeing the debate that is centered around this Valentine. So you can see that the Valentine is a special day for couples and lovers. So right now, this is the topic of the debate. Valentine is the most important day for lovers because it's recognized internationally. Okay, so you can see versus anniversary are the best because it marks a milestone for lovers involved. So this is just like you playing around this particular platform. So right now, when you go back to your account, you can actually come down to invite friends. So once you come over to invite friends, so right now what you just want to do is to click on invite friends, and it's going to bring you over to this interface right now. You can see send link to your friend. On successfully sign up, your friend will receive 5 points and you will get 5 points. So for every user you bring to this platform, you get 5 points, and also your subordinate gets 5 points. So you can see how interesting this platform works. Now, there's a proper way you need to follow to sign up for an account Once you click the first link below the description of this video, it's going to bring you over to this interface. The first thing you want to do is to put in an email address. Come down here to select your country. It can be any country of your choice. However, I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to select this +234. Then I'm going to input my mobile number that I want to use for this account. So I'm going to come down here to put in my password, then agree to the terms and conditions. Then also check this box that says I am not a robot. Then come down here and click on this button that says sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to bring you over to an interface where you can start earning on this platform. And that is all about the survey website. You can actually find the link below the description of this video. Set up an account for yourself and start earning. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.